Shape your nails on a daily routine with 180 grit entity file. Apply sanitizer to the cuticle pusher. Take the sanitizing gel, place it on the cuticle and push it gently. Then apply base coat, OPI, natural nail base coat. Cut the extra dead skin in the side walls. Then apply OPI natural nail base coat. Let it dry for some time. Apply second coat of OPI base coat. Let it dry for some time. Then apply entity cuticle oil. Massage it gently. Push the cuticles upwards with sanitizing cream or gel. Remove the cuticles with a plate. Shape the nails with 180 grit entity file. Wipe it with a solution. Buff the nails with 220 by 280 buffer. Wipe it with a solution. Apply Bond Aid OPI pH balancing agent. Finally, apply the base coat. Use OPI nail polish remover. Soak in the cotton. Place it on the nail. Set it for some time. Push it downwards to remove the polish. Prepare your nails. Push the cuticles. Shape the nails with 180 grit entity file. the dust with Entity Nail Solution. Apply Bond-Aid pH balancing agent. Stick the tip with Entity Nail Glue on the edge of the nail. Hold it for some time. Check whether the nail is fixed properly. Cut the length according to your wish. With a 180 grit, remove the shine. Apply Entity Nail Primer. Then apply Entity Sculpting Powder. Later, apply Nail Sculpting Liquid with a brush. Let it dry for some time. Use Nail Pinching Tool, then start filing. Shape the nails with 180 grit Entity file. Remove the dust with Entity Nail Solution. Finally, apply UV Gel Top Coat. Cure it in UV light for 2 minutes. UV light will cure top coat. Start with cuticle detailing. Push the cuticles upwards. Prepare the nail with prime nail polish. Clean the nails with Entity Nail Solution. Shape the nails. Wipe the nails and file the top layer of nails with 180 grit. Remove the shine. Apply Bond-Aid pH balancing agent. Apply Entity New Bond or Nail Primer. Let it dry for some time. Apply Gel Base Coat. Cure it in UV light for 10 seconds. Apply Entity Gel Polish Base Coat, first coat. Cure it in UV light for 60 seconds. Apply the gel polish, second coat. Remove the stickiness. Apply the cuticle oil. Massage the nails. Start with yellow color on the edge of the nails. Then apply black color. Then orange color on top of the black color. the brush nicely. Cure it in UV light for 10 seconds. Then remove the stickiness with natural nail oil. Finally apply cuticle oil. Massage it gently. Mix white and blue color. Apply from the edge of the nail. In the center, apply the yellow paint. Apply the top coat finally. Apply white nail polish with blue acrylic powder. Create the 3D pattern on top of the white nail polish. Let it dry for some time. Take 6 spoons of baking soda. Mix a lime in the baking soda. Pour the baking soda on the nails. Brush it gently. with a tissue. Do it weekly once for brighter nails. Cut the tea bag to the length of the broken nail. Apply the entity glue. Place the tea bag on the broken nail. Apply the top coat and seal the edge. Scratch it gently to make it smooth and even. Wipe it. Apply base coat. Leave it to dry.